shaka huyo si mwingine bali ni Joan Wairimo kutoka Toronto, Canada, na wimbo mkali kweli sana. Na nimemuona my lordship Bishop John Muthaka anasema ako ndani pamoja papu. Asante sana William Wachira, asante sana kwa kazi nzuri. Na ninawashukuru wote watu kama Askofu Bishop Dr. Peter Dongo, Pastor Harrison Dongo, Pastor Esther Ngoge, wale watu siwezi kutaja kwa sababu tulikuwa na watu wengi sana. And I also see my friend, and this will be the head of the department, Dr. Amelia Butler, and your husband. I want to thank you so much because of the support that you have given to us as One Word Digital Media. Now, Dr. Amelia Butler is a research medical doctor. Now, she has been given that permission to be able to come up with a respiratory defense medicine that is very good. I'm using it personally and it's very powerful, and I can recommend you to use it because I've seen it working for me. And therefore, wakati tunapotembea katika safari hii, all we just need to do ni kuambia Mungu asante. You know, in the Bible talks about the 10 lepers. And there are many miracles that Jesus performed in the Bible, but this particular story is usually very moving. That there were these 10 lepers, and leprosy was a very bad disease because it would affect your parts of the body. If it's your finger, they fall down, your nose fall down, your ear go down. So, and there was no cure for leprosy. So what used to happen, those people who were affected or who would get this sickness, they were thrown out somewhere to go and die. And these 10 lepers, they did not just stay there and die in their predicament. But when they heard that Jesus was passing by, they just decided to go shouting, "Jesus, Son of David, may you please heal us. Have mercy on us. I see my Vice President, Dr. Raphael Mwenja. Tutaongea nyuma ya hema. Najua tumepoteanwa sana. And we are waiting for you to come back. Ndio tuendelee katika kujenga the center, the ministerial center that will host Northwest International Christian Bible Seminary." Na kwa hivyo, these 10 lepers, they went to Jesus. They were shouting. And I could see many people even running away from them because nobody wanted to go close to people because this was a contagious disease. Ulikuwa ni ugonjwa ambao ungeambukizana. Aya, Mazubeda Masuka, I see you. Joy Kilemi, my friend, asante sana, nashukuru. So I see, you know, there are sometimes problems, they will come to you, and people, they will run away from you without knowing when they are running away, they are making an easy way for you to receive the blessing. That's how I look at it. Ya kwamba these 10 lepers walikimbia wakisema, "Jesus, Son of David, have mercy upon me." Wakakimbia, wakakimbia wakipasa sauti, wakimuomba Yesu aweze kuwaponya. And Jesus stopped and told them, "Because of your faith, you have been healed. And now go and show yourself to the high priest." Maybe they had to go to a certain clinic where they would be wangepimwa waonekane kama wamepona huo ugonjwa. And I see my vice president saying, "I'm coming soon, my president." Asante sana. And they were healed instantly. But what catches me there is the one leper who went back. You know, if you get what you want from what you are pursuing from a person, many at the time we usually don't see the need of going back. But look at this 10 leper. He had an extra heart. And this is such a day today because it is a very big sikukuu here in America. It's a very big day. It's a time to appreciate, you know, your neighbor. Even the stores. A television that costs like about $900 Today it is costing $400. It is a way of saying thank you. It's a way of giving back, you know. And this man, he never needed, there was no need for him going back to Jesus. But anyway, he thought, let me just go back and tell the person who has healed me, asante sana. You know, the word thank you is just a small word. But let me tell you, it has a very great impact. Stanley Mwea anasema keep it up, Bishop. I love this message. Asante sana, Bwana Stanley Mwea. And this man, because if I'm asking you for $100 and you give it to me, my need is met. So there is no, most of the time, it is a commonality that we usually don't see the need of being there. You want to go and fulfill the need for $100. But this man, he saw the need of going back to say thank you. It is a simple word, very simple word. And you know, sometimes we receive gifts and we see it as if it is our right. We wake up and see as if it is our right. We report to work and we see as if it is our right. I come back to my many businesses and I see as if it is my right. Let me tell you, my friend, until that one day when you will not be able to wake up, that somebody has to wake you up. Until that one day that you will not be able to feed yourself, and somebody has to feed you. Until that day you will have oxygen pipes on your nose, that you will know the importance of breathing the air freely. You will learn to be